There is a new drone in the market, the new DJI Air 2S. DJI released a new drone. Like, literally DJI, I just purchased the Mavic Air like 4 months ago. Come on, give me a break. There's too many drones out there and I really don't know what to do because I really want them all. All right guys, so let's go straight to the point. This new drone has a compact and foldable design, which as we know, it makes it easy to travel with and to carry around. Let's talk about the specs real quick. It has a 3-axis gimbal with 22mm lens and 1-inch CMOS. Focus track subject modes for those shots when your subject is in movement. It has a hyperlapse mode for those time lapse that we love so much. It has a direction obstacle avoidance, which is an improvement from the Mavic Air. It takes a lot of weight off of my shoulders when DJI improves their safety settings because, well, I don't want to crash a drone again. Oh shit. It has a 20 megapixel for still images and up to 5.4 Ultra HD for video. It has an antenna remote with 7.5 mile range. And for a more cinematic and flat image, it has the D-Log 10-bit color and 12.6 stop raw footage. And last but not least guys, DJI added something called Mastershots. And what it does, it takes several clips using different angles and techniques on its own, which I am very impressed because technically the 2S is doing everything without any of my help. So I can just literally sit down and relax and let the 2S take control and do his thing. And when it's done, I can just select the clips that I like and use them on my final product. In comparison with the Mavic Air, the 2S has improved its image quality. The footage looks more clean and sharp. Even in a low-light environment, it seems to take greater images than the Mavic Air. So there you have it guys, DJI is killing it again. The 2S is convincing me to trade the Mavic Air and get the new Mavic Air 2S. That's it for today guys. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.